It's a Shadi of the year and this band, Baja, Bharat and everything else put together. The Ambani family ready for the nuptials and have arrived at the Jio World Drive wedding venue. Well, as for the guests, both Desi and Videshi, from the Samsung chief, John Cena to Ananya Pandey, have begun to pour in for the grand wedding. All right, let's take a look at the latest pictures coming in from the Ambani wedding rush. Ambani family all set to get Anant Ambani married. Ladke wale arrived at the venue with the band Baja Bharat. Ladke wale dressed in pink. Groom's mother Nita Ambani was seen following the traditional rituals. Former WWE superstar and Hollywood actor John Cena mesmerized all with his appearance. Wearing traditional Indian Bangala suit, John Cena was seen doing his iconic "You Can't See Me" gesture as he posed for the fans. Bollywood star Ananya Pandey also arrived at the Jio World Centre. She wore an all-yellow gold lehenga with Anand's Brigade written on the back of her blouse. Khushi Kapoor also arrived in a similar outfit. She wore a green and gold monochrome lehenga with Anand's Brigade written on the back. Reportedly, Bollywood beauties will together perform at the star-studded Ambani wedding. Siblings Sara Ali Khan and Ibrahim Ali Khan also arrived at the wedding venue. Dressed in their ethnic best, Ibrahim in an all-black suit, Sara in a golden lehenga. All right, and joining us live at this moment are my colleagues tracking that story for us from Mumbai City. Hesha is with us from the Jio World Convention Center. Roshni also is at the Ambani resident in Antilia. I'm going to come to you first, Roshni. Give us a sense of what do you really see around you? What are the arrangements like? What's the mood like?
Yes, as you can see, I am standing at the main entrance of Antilia, and you can see the way it is decked up. Few minutes back, Bharat and the Bharatis, along with Band Baja, has left here for the Jio Center where the wedding would be happening. But if you can see, even though the Bharatis have left, the decoration process isn't ending anyway soon, because after the wedding, they will be getting their bride. So the decoration is still on. The entire lane will be decked up with lights, and if you can see behind, the artists are still singing and they are waiting for their bride to come back, and I would say the Swagat ceremony would be happening. So that is the thing, and also because the Bharatis have left with all the band baja thing, they are still singing, they are not stopping anywhere. It is almost an hour back that the Bharatis have left, and the decoration is also still on. Lane is quite clear, because few minutes back the entire lane was also stuck. It was heavy traffic here, but now it is quite clear. But the decoration, if you can see, is almost happening, and the entrance is also decked up. The security is there, but nobody is here because everybody has left for Jio World Center, and the event has also started there. Artists have started appearing. They have started making their presence at the red carpet. Ambani family has visited there. So this is the update from here.
All right, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Hesha is with us as well at the Jio World Convention Center. That's where the Shadi is happening, Hesha. Talk to us about what time is the Shadi, what does one expect, what about the fairas, what more can you tell us, Hesha?
Well, right now, as you can see behind me, everybody is here awaiting the guests to come in. Well, at around 4:15 is when the guests started arriving. Jackie Shroff actually walked in with his patent plant and made sure that he engaged with all of us over here at the event as well. Other than that, everybody was over here too, and they were in their customized outfits. However, let me let you in and tell you that this is only an outfit that they've been wearing specifically for the Bharat. However, they're going to be changing into another look super soon, which is for the Varmala. Now, the Varmala is scheduled to be at around 8:30 p.m. Now, outside of the family, along with other guests and VVIP guests across the globe, are all set to grace us with their presence over here. Well, some of them already are here. Sanjay Dutt, in fact, just a few seconds ago was over here. Ritesh Deshmukh, along with Janelia, also was over here. And of course, everybody else who was waiting for John Cena, and he was here too. We saw him do his patent move, and everybody was rejoicing in that. Other than that, let me lay special emphasis on the decor over here. Everything is customized with initials of A and R, which is of course Anant and Radhika, and there is massive floral decoration with chandeliers everywhere. For now, this is the press pit, but there are visuals of outside where you will see that the decor is nothing but opulent, and other than that, every
All right. Connect with Hesha in a moment from now, but she's getting us these details from the Geo Center, and she was telling us about the Varmala at 8:30. And Antilia is the residence where Roshni is. Roshni, you were talking to us about the decorations that continue, obviously, because the new Bahu is going to come back home. When is that expected? Tell us more about that.
Yes. So, as we can see, the decoration is still on, and they are still decorating the entire lane, which is set outside Antilia. It is not only just Antilia, but entire lane is decked up, if you can see. Also, because the Shadi would be happening tonight, and after that, tomorrow is the Ashirwad ceremony, which will be happening. So, somewhere between that, the Bahu will be coming back to the house, which is expected, which is speculated to be expected that she will be coming back to the house, and then this celebration, this decoration is for her, because the entire thing, the Ashirwad ceremony and later the reception thing would be happening at the Geo World Center, but this is Antilia, where she would be staying as a Bahu of Ambani. So the lane needs to be decorated, the lane needs to be decked up, and the entire Antilia, because it is daylight and the lights are not lit until now, but once the daylight is off, you can see the entire lane would be decked up with fancy lights, and the decoration is looking outstanding. So the vibe of getting Ambani's Bahu in the Antilia house would be all, this entire vibe could be felt here.
Right, Roshni getting in those details from Antilia. Well, a lot of this information is from our sources. Roshni telling us that there is a possibility of the new Bahu, in fact, going back home to Antilia tomorrow. That is what is expected. But the Varmala ceremony is at 8:30 is what Hesha was telling us.